What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel for online certification courses. Here I break down what these courses are all about, helping you learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field and, more importantly, get paid your worth. So let's get started. The world of AI has taken over the globe, from our daily lives to the workplace. Everyone is trying to implement it into their workflow. But what happens when a company's own IT department can't fully create an AI workforce? This is where an AI generalist comes in to save the day. So, what is an AI generalist? Think of them as a professional who has a vast, across-the-board understanding of various AI technologies and disciplines. This allows them to apply their knowledge to solve all sorts of different problems. They are experts at learning new AI techniques and using AI to tackle complex challenges. In dynamic environments where quick adaptation and innovative solutions are key, AI generalists are incredibly valuable. An AI generalist understands a broad range of technologies, like natural language processing, machine learning, computer vision, and robotics. They applied these to real business problems using existing tools, rather than building systems from scratch. So, they don't specialize in developing brand new algorithms. Keep in mind, there are many different niches you can explore when becoming an AI generalist. The role requires a mix of technical and soft skills, including programming, data analysis, and critical thinking, to effectively use AI tools and understand their real-world implications. Now, for the big question, how do AI generalists make money? They get paid to be the bridge between AI technology and real-world applications. This allows organizations to harness the power of AI to solve complex challenges and drive innovation. They can apply AI to a variety of tasks, like data analysis, content creation, and automating routine tasks, which easily saves a company time and money. An AI generalist can be employed by a single company or work as a gig worker or contractor, handling multiple clients. There are also plenty of remote jobs available. For example, you could build a web app that generates job-specific resumes and cover letters using a fine-tuned LLM, or you could create a customer support agent simulator, an AI agent that mimics a human representative using custom tools and conversation memory. It's not about gatekeeping these skills either. You can also make money by simplifying the complex. Generalists make AI more accessible and user-friendly for their colleagues by explaining complex concepts and tools in plain language. In this rapidly evolving AI landscape, an AI generalist helps businesses stay adaptable and leverage new technologies more effectively, all while getting paid. Thanks for taking the time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. I also have my website up and running, Markie Williams online certification courses. Please subscribe so you will not miss out on any trending certification courses you might want to pick up. Comment down below and I'll reply back. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, where I have an online certification page you can like and follow. Make sure you check out these thumbnails floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Thanks again. It's Markie Williams, and I will see you in the future.